When the disciple surrenders to his Guru, who then is ruling the mind? Okay. You see, the biggest problem is called surrender. The surrender is what never happens. It is not like you are becoming a prisoner of war, POW. Okay, I raise my hands, I surrender to you. Nothing like that happens. Because you see, ego and Maya is so strong that she's going to, rub your nose on the ground. The surrender is the most difficult part. I have been told, you treat us like doormat. Well, it's a fact of life. You want to become spiritual, you have to become a doormat. I mean, people don't like this, you see. Understand this. What does this doormat mean? Doormat doesn't mean somebody is going to rub their dirt on you. No. A guru is a very, very compassionate person. Please remember this. He's got a very soft heart. Every moment of his life, he is only caring for you. If something happens to you, his heart aches, really. I'm not joking. There is a very beautiful story where Sai Baba, one day suddenly when he is talking to someone, he thrusts his hand in the dhuni over there. Dhuni is the fire which he used to sit against, It's there in Shirdi today. You can go and see. And he keeps his hand over there. And people are so upset about it, they try to pull his hand. By then his hand is burnt. And they ask him, Baba, why did you do this? You know what is the answer that he gives? He says, a small child had fallen off from the mother's hand into fire somewhere. And I was only protecting the child. Now there was no child in front of him. There was nothing like that over there. But the compassion that he showed is tremendous. The Guru takes all your troubles away. People really don't understand how the Gurus really work. It's a very difficult thing for anybody to know the Guru, because they look at him as an average human being who is just sitting over there and doing nothing according to the world. But no, he's not like that at all. So surrendering to the Guru is very, very important. I can tell you my own story. I didn't surrender. It took me a very long time to listen to what my Guru is saying. I kept on using my mind. I don't know whether I have a mind. Okay, today I can be a zombie also. Alright? So he kept on saying, you have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do this. I said, I don't want to do any of those things. There was no surrender. And then, one fine day, there was complete surrender. I said, I am a toy in your hands. Use me the way you want it. A marionette, you understand? String, you can pull the strings and you can do whatever you want with me. I am ready to do that. Whatever you tell me, I am willing to do that. I don't want to have any ego anywhere. When you lose your ego, is the time you surrender to him. When your mind doesn't react. You see, if the Guru says, go and eat that thing, something. Now you may be a vegetarian and he may tell you that go and eat that non-vegetarian dish, and at that time oh my God, I'm a vegetarian. I can't eat this. This happened with one person. Baba told him, go to the market. Sai Baba, he told him, go to the market and get one bakra. One goat. Now this fellow was a Brahmin. How do you tell a Brahmin go to the market and get so much of meat? He was very, how can I do that? But then Baba stopped him and said, okay, don't go. Somebody else, you can go. And then he made a pile of those things. He had one big handa, a big matka kind of a stuff. And in that he would put everything that came. And he put it. And what he would do is, he would add all the spices, this, that, everything, light the fire from below, and with his own hands, he had the Ajan Bahu, long hands. And with the hands, he would turn the whole thing with his hand. Today, even if you have to do it with the ladle's handle becomes hot, you are in trouble, isn't it? Here we have Sai Baba turning the whole hot stuff with his own hands. And then the time came to serve. This story was told to me by my own grandmother. Okay? So it is true. Because my family has been with Sai Baba for God knows how many years. so naturally, we have our own stories, isn't it? This person was a close friend of our family. He was a Brahmin. And he was told, you can come and eat. Now remember, there was meat, there was everything mixed in that whole vessel. And Baba himself removed it and gave it to him and said, eat this. First he was very reluctant. I am not a meat eater. I am a vegetarian. I am a Brahmin. If I eat this, then... But the moment, a guru is, like I said, he's a very compassionate person. So he gave that thing to eat. It was pure vegetarian. There was not even an iota of meat anywhere. There are stories of Telanga Maharaj also, Telanga Swami from Banaras, where he himself gave something to the king and it turned into beautiful sweets. So please understand this. Surrender to the Guru and his will is very, very important. You have to lose your ego, your mind, and the whole identity that you have, that I am so and so, the pride that a person carries, my name is so and so, I am so and so. That day when you surrender to the Guru, you will know what is this Guru Tattva, because that will come within you. Who rules the mind? Your mind is decimated. You are just a puppet, you see. Your body is working like a machine. He just puts on the switch, and you will behave exactly like a fan, a motor, or something like that. Not it. You are a robot. You are fully charged, of course. You are a robot. You will do exactly what he is telling you to do. And don't question him. There is no mind after that. Remember this. There is absolutely no mind existing. His grace is such, the grace of the Guru is such that if you surrender to him with 100% faith, love and devotion, believe me, you will have no mind to bother about. Nothing to bother about. Then he is the one who has taken your power of attorney. He is the one who is in charge of everything that is going on in your life. He will tell you, go here. Doesn't matter, go there. If he tells you, go there, go there. If he says, sit down over here, sit down. Please believe me, this is the way in which a guru trains his disciple. And then he becomes a devotee. Because there is devotion for him. So there is no mind then. Got it?